going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Adam Fig TV and I'm Adam. So what I want to talk to you today is long awaited. It's been a while since I did the initial review for this Shevrov Minimalist wallet. What I want to do today, since a lot of people have been asking, and I promised you guys I was going to do a 1 month review or post review, and I kind of flaked on that. There's been a lot going on. I appreciate you guys' patience. Me and the family, we just finished moving. There's a whole bunch of things going on, me being in the military and all. Anyways, beside the fact, Shevrov Minimalist wallet. I want to talk to you guys really quick and just let you know how it's been holding up. If I still use it, do I recommend it still? What the case may be. So, yes, I still use it. I use and abuse this thing every single day. It has not done me wrong. It has not failed me. There has yet to be any screws that I've needed to tighten up. No panel is loose. The clip still holds firm. I can put bills in there. It holds firm. There's no question about that. I have had no issues with the elastic bands. They remain holding the tension. My cards don't just fall out. So yeah, do I recommend it? For 26 bucks? Most definitely. This is way better than my $250 Coach wallet that I used to use before this one. Way better than fossil wallets that I've had, way better than majority of leather wallets that I've had. Let's talk about the finish. So they say anti-scratch. Let me just clean it up. I don't know if you can see that, but like I said, I use and abuse this thing. And as far as scratches go, I mean, it's very minimal. So maybe on the clear coat, you may see some little hard scratches, but they're barely visible. If I'm just looking at this thing from right here, you can't see this. Like, it's nothing. Let's talk about the paint, the finish on it. So obviously this clip is black paint, and as you can see, it is starting to wear off. But like I said, guys, I use and abuse this thing. Like, I just get home, I throw it on my everyday carry corner on my desk, and I throw it on the counter, whatever. This thing falls in the dirt. Like, it can definitely take a beating. And so I'm really happy about that. There are other brands that cost 2, 3, almost 4 times as much as this one, if not more than that. I've seen them go into the hundreds for minimalist wallets, and by far this one surpasses those. Like I said, haven't had to touch any of these screws, haven't had to tighten up any panels, haven't had to work on any elastic bands. I can take all my cards out right now, even with one card in there. I'm gonna just hold it by the clip. Nothing. Doesn't even wiggle. So that goes to show you, like, this thing is legit. What else do I want to talk about? Operation, right? So I've had a lot of people in the comments say, I bought this for my boyfriend, but we don't know how to use it. Alright, super simple, guys. I'm just gonna show you real quick. Super simple. This wallet, it may look complex at first. All you have to do, you just split the panels in half. You have a little finger grip hole right here that you can use to cycle through all your cards and figure out which one you want. But all you do is simple. You just split it into the card. Do it again. Split it into the card. You grab multiple cards. You split it, and the elastic band will work with you. And you just enter your cards. Super simple. Nothing comes out. Easy. I'm not kidding you guys. I don't get paid for making these videos. I don't get paid for putting these links down below. But Yo, Shevrov, if you want to go ahead and send me another one, because I love it so much, I'll do a giveaway. When we get, say, if we can get 200 likes on this video, I'll give one away to you guys. Alright? So, that's all I want to do today. Yeah, again, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm going to have tons more content now that I'm settled into my new home. Tons more content for you guys to enjoy. So, I'll see you guys in the next one.